Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, we're going to continue the series where we look to build a millionaire portfolio. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. And don't forget to jump in our Discord. We do list all of the buys as we're making them for this portfolio in the Discord. So it's definitely worth jumping in. It's absolutely free to join. And there's over 4,500 people talking about crypto 24/7, supporting one another navigate the space safely. Lots going on, so definitely check it out. Link is in the description. Right, let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start on coin market cap. Now, we're up 0.80%. So just under 1% for the total market cap of all crypto. And we now stand at $1.05 trillion. Now, I do think that this is going to be not short-lived, but I don't think it's going to be sustainable to stay up here at, for any great length of time. I do think we're going to see some sideways movement and potentially a little bit higher before we come back down again. Fantastic environment, volatility for anybody that's looking to trade. We do have a Patreon membership section. Link is in the description. We do have some fantastic trading going on in the Patreon, so do check that out if that is of interest. Now, Bitcoin is at 21,297.29, up 0.23% in the last 24 hours, but up 7.5% in the last 7 days. So, it's not looking too bad right now. Although I haven't done a video recently on the portfolio builder, obviously people have been asking, what's going on, Chris? Why haven't we seen one? Are you still doing them? I am, but we haven't really been making too many big purchases or anything like that with the market the way it is. Kind of waiting for the Ethereum merge to be completed. We've made a few little purchases, but nothing too much. Again, just dollar cost averaging on these great pullbacks that we've seen. $25 a week roughly. Trying to keep this I guess achievable for people to follow along. Now, if you are choosing to follow along, obviously treat this as educational purposes only. You should go away. You should definitely go do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, and the market's volatile. You should never invest more than you're willing to lose. But ultimately, I'm not encouraging you to go purchase these projects. I'm encouraging you to go away and do your own research, and it's going to be a portfolio builder where we learn as we go. So we'll do some other types of videos around risk management and all that sort of stuff, right? But the market's been volatile, but it hasn't come down to the lower lows that I'm expecting just yet. Now that that's going to trigger a few people, but it has to be said that I am expecting lower lows. So that is why we're not seeing lots of money go into the market for this portfolio just yet. Now, Bitcoin is probably going to be the biggest amount of money is going to go into Bitcoin for this portfolio. I've got about $14,000 put to one side ready for when the market pulls back. And the aim is to get one Bitcoin for this particular portfolio, and then build up the rest of these. But that doesn't mean that we're not going to buy some of these when they pull back. If they pull back and they look really good and juicy, we're going to continue to dollar cost average into the market right now. There's lots of people talking about the financial landscape and the fact that you've got to be mad to be in risk assets like cryptocurrency, because they're normally the first to go. When people can't afford to heat their homes, feed their kids and all that sort of stuff, one of the first things that goes is crypto. It's a risk asset, right? Same with your institutional investors. The riskier assets are the ones to go first, and unfortunately crypto is kind of sat in that bag. So do be careful, never overinvest, and make sure that you understand the risk that you're taking. Don't get into any projects that I talk about or any other influencer before going and doing your own research, making sure that it resonates with you and that you're happy to make that financial decision yourself. That's really important. So this is the portfolio currently, $979.23 in the portfolio so far. So we've got Bitcoin 0.018108 currently in there, a little bit down from what we originally purchased, and that is fine. I'm not getting concerned by whether we're in profit or whether we're in loss. We're up. The portfolio is up 3.82%, about $36. So we're not doing too bad, but I'm not really too concerned at this stage. Singularity, we've got 557 of those. Quant, we're now up to 1.37 quant. Solana 1.29. Cardano 75.5. Arweave 3.28. VeChain 1,378. Chainlink 3.66. Polkadot 3.55. And then Polygon Matic, we've got 30, just over 30, 30.1. So, the portfolio is growing, but, it's a steady pace, right? And, don't have to worry and rush with this. So, again, we've got it all logged here with all the buys. Obviously, the spreadsheet is available. It is in our Discord for you to download. So, definitely worth jumping into the Discord. I want to keep this video quite short, punchy. There isn't really a great deal to cover on this video when it comes to the portfolio. We will look at doing some live stuff between Nick and myself. So it has been really busy our end. We've got some big announcements in the next couple of weeks, around our 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗧 project. We've got a Decentraland avatar hoodie pre-sale happening at the moment as well. Again, details are in the Discord. And we got Charles Hoskinson interview as well. So there's an awful lot going on. Once things sort of start to calm down behind the scenes, we'll look to do more of these and make them more interactive. But do let me know in the comments below if you're finding these sorts of videos useful, and also let me know how you would want me to do videos, any ideas on things that you would like to see that would be supportive for you in the crypto space. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, mash up that like button. We really do appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't already as well. Tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.